everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Fritz on Fritz. I hope your day is going splendidly so far. Currently, 51 degrees and partly cloudy here in the valley on this Friday afternoon. Happy Pi Day, everybody. 3.14, March 14th. Whoa. Do you know what time it is? Of course you do. That's why you're here. It's taste test time. Today, I'm trying the Pringles hot ones, Los Calientes Verde, potato crisps. I've been searching for these for the past 3 months at my local grocery store, but every time I've been there, they've been out. Today is my lucky day. They had 3 of these canisters in stock in their chip aisle when I was there, so I grabbed one. I don't remember when, but I tried the Rojo Los Calientes Pringles. Those are spicy. These look spicy. I like the packaging. This particular 5.5 ounce canister potato crisps has an expiration date of December 23rd, 2025. Full disclosure, Albertsons is not a sponsor of this video. Pringles LLC is not a sponsor of this video. And BuzzFeed Media Enterprises Incorporated is not a sponsor of this video. If you've tried these, please let me know in the comments. Hey. Woo. Yep. It smells peppery. Spicy. Ooh. Green seasoning. Cheers, everybody. Yeah. Woo! Satisfying. Initial crunch. Light and airy. Not greasy. Not stale. The heat. Right off the bat. Apparent. Whew. Heat is building. Well seasoned, I will say that. Extremely salty. Tangy. Sweet. Vinegary. Did I say it's hot? I pick up hints of onion. I don't know which type of pepper they used, if that was a serrano or a jalapeno or both. Oh, yeah. Woo! Feel the burn. That heat keeps building on my tongue. I can feel it in my throat. It's like I just ate a whole spoon of hot sauce. Oh, yeah. Woo! Spicy. Oh, man. Crunchy time. Oh, yeah. Satisfying country, satisfying texture, and the crunch. The heat is strong. I appreciate that so far all of these crisps are intact. None of them are broken in the canister. I appreciate that. If you like hot food, if you like hot sauce in general, I think you would like these. Ooh, yeah. Feel the burn. I mean, I might need to get some milk. I love the packaging, design, brand. Pepper is the star of the show. The potato is acting as a nice canvas to enhance the flavor profile. It packs a punch with the heat, the tanginess from the vinegar, and the hotness from the pepper. I'm going to eat another one because it's so delicious. Oh, Woo! Hey, y'all. Ooh, I can see these take these on a picnic or a family reunion, or you could take it to work and share with your coworkers. Yeah. See the look on their face when they take a bite of this? When it's hot, spicy. Ooh, ha ha ha. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the Pringles hot one Los Calientes Verde. Woo! That'll wake you up. I will give these a solid 9.37. There you go. The heat just lingers. Ooh, ah, mmm, it's so good. Mm, ooh, a hint of a smoky aftertaste as well in there, like I just came from a barbecue. Mm, oh, oh yeah. This is I think this is even hotter than the Takis that I've had. Mm, mm. This can't get enough. It's burning my mouth, but this is so delicious. Mm. Oh, that burns. Mm, mm. Until next time, I'll see you then. Yeah. Hi. Oh, that's better. Oh, milk.